The CNC Mill One is a great desktop CNC machine. But like all other CNC machines, the biggest problem with it is it makes a lot of noise and a lot of dust. It's so much dust to clean up, and it's a real pain. You could get the vacuum attachment, but then you have the noise of the vacuum. So because my dishwasher failed and leaked everywhere, I thought instead of throwing it out, why not repurpose it as an enclosure for the CNC machine. So that's what I did. I put the Mill One inside the dishwasher, and because there are watertight gaskets everywhere, it's a pretty ideal setup for holding a CNC machine. The other bonus is all this insulation on the edges really muffles out the sound. It's about half the noise that would otherwise be. So all I really did was take the back piece out there and run the power cord through the side in the pre-existing hole, and that's it. So just to show the difference, I'm going to turn this on and run a job. So that's open, and that's closed. It's noticeably quieter. And now to run the job. And here it is, open again. Here it is closed. And here I'm gonna cancel the job.